So I bought a camera. It was like 30% off. I paid $700 for it, and I got it right when I had it for a couple weeks. I never used it, and then I said, well, I'm gonna go to the Boys Town Woodsman's Museum. People should like that, so I'll use this camera. I got it out, turned it on, and all it was a bunch of lines across the screen. So I had to use my cell, and surprisingly, I thought that people would be quite interested in that. But no, I put 4 shorts on there. I think the most I got was 117 and no likes. And you got somebody that drives through a town with their camera sticking out the window, just showing some rundown town, and they just drive through it and they get millions of views. And I went in to a town, showed the history, told the history, showed all the machinery they used in the logging industry back over 200 years ago. Sawmills. Thought a lot of people would be interested in that, but no. I put the full video on. I think I got 3 views. It kind of discourages you, especially when I put one about a skunk on here last night and got over 1,000 views. I definitely do not understand how the YouTube algorithm works. Nope, don't understand. I get 1,100 views on a skunk and 117 on a very interesting history of a town.